Dear viewers, welcome to our TrendzBasket fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of natural and organic face washes design ideas. At the end of the day, nothing feels more relaxing than indulging in a luxurious skincare routine that leaves us feeling soft, clean, and moisturized. But instead of opting for face washes that are full of parabens, phthalates, or fragrances, we can go for natural and organic face washes that leave us with the same results, without the harmful chemicals and irritants. Some people think cleanser isn't a super important part of their skincare routine, like it's only on your skin for a couple seconds and then you rinse it down the drain, but I couldn't disagree more. If you're going to put something on your face every single day, don't you want to make sure it's not stressing your skin out? That's why I decided to make the switch to natural face washes. They're made with plant-based ingredients instead of sketchy ones like parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making them a safer choice for you and your skin. There are many facial problems that both men and women are facing today. That being said, some of these problems are dark skin, acne, and discoloration. In most cases, these problems are as a result of environmental pollutants. Since the face is like the reception of your entire body, it is almost impossible to just sit there when it keeps getting worse. Different types of natural and organic face washes designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.